natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Tara here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you subscribe to me. So this right here is a collaboration video featuring a lot of my other fellow Jamaican YouTubers. So the other YouTubers featured in this video will include Shani Britt, Jammy G360, Jamaican makeup artist Maya Lovely of 876 Barbies. It will include Ginger Lee, and it will include Vanya Childs and from Unique Images by Danzy. We got together and decided to do a collaboration, and First 4 Days is the hashtag. So if you guys decide to recreate any of these looks and you want to tag us in it so that we can see, you can hashtag First 4 Days. I will have it somewhere down here or somewhere on the screen. So of course we all got the idea that the inspiration can come from anywhere that we wish, and I was actually inspired today by this nail lacquer that I have on. It's a Santee Plus nail lacquer in the color Red Alert, and this is what it looks like. Very nice vibrant red color, and it's what I'm wearing today. So I definitely knew I wanted red brows. I knew I wanted something very bold. I wanted something more on the editorial side because I always do glam and beauty looks, and I just wanted to show my versatility more as a makeup artist. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to head on over to Facebook and like the Facebook page, and follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter. All the links will be in the description bar below. Also, you guys can download my background music. If you like my background music, the link to download that will be in the description bar as well. And also check out all the other girls' videos. I will link their videos in the description bar, like at the top. So after you guys finish watching this, or before you watch this, you can go on over and watch their videos and come back. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks to all my new subscribers for subscribing. You guys keep me doing what I'm doing, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
You never know where you are, baby. Too blind to see, that I'm on in the rough, that I'm on in the rough, girl. Me never free a future without you in it, but girl, you need my best that for 2 minutes, you say me not work. So me you can't depend on, so when you free your future, it's a different man. You say you want to live the hype, girl, you want to live the life, and a future with me, tough like concrete. How long me a look about, I know we can't reach. You have wants and needs, so for hopes and dreams. Say me nah go make it and you no business. I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some fame and some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in her life. Y'all confidence in me a way you never have. So you step on me heart like leather clogs. You say you tired to sit down with a man like me. So what time for the road you a make a chat. Girl, you pack your bag and you step. You need even look back, cause love alone me have. You have no way to put that. Call a friend to pick you up. True when me love in a tears, girl, you left me for joy. You say me nah go make it and you no business. I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some fame and some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in her life. But read the table turn ya now, see that the boss arrive. Every step that you take, it's a new crep. Girl from every angle, want him be the man. Now your friend them are the first one we start laugh. Girl the youth pop up, you pop down. Guess what, girl you crap done. The youth thing slap way, burning like an answer, and you wish you coulda take back your talk, girl. Nah go make it and you no business. I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some fame and some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in her life. You never know where you are, baby. Too blind to see, that I'm on in the rough, that I'm on in the rough, girl. You never know where you are. I'm on in the rough, I'm on in the
She left me and gone, she no need me. She left me and gone, please believe me. When she tell me say she love me, she no mean it. For for real. My girlfriend left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she have them. She left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she have them.
From she step out of my life tribulation come down and me fi tell her Chindian life get run down. She tell me and her I go bring the sun come, so me work from morning go back to sundown. She step out of my life just like a leather clocks and tell me how cheaper than best just chicken pots. People stand one side and I pass them remarks, but who feels it knows it. Yeah, alone in my
girlfriend left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she have them. She left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things we can't make she have them. The girl is too ready and she can't satisfy everything where she see. She want it to buy, she want to look in at me eye and tell me be a lie. And all she want to do I just left me pocket dry. She want a man to buy a big house and under, and all me can offer a couple lumber. She said she regret today she give me her number. No me lie, she can't sit asunder. My girlfriend left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she have them. She left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things we can't make she have them. She want a box of money, post car on the fame. She want to live a life all in the fast lane. She was my future joy, now she is my past pain. Now she me give me heart, she did fi have me last name. Although you left me and gone, girl, me have no regret. Let's keep our life separate like China and Tibet. My friend will tell me all the worst mistake me ever make, but who can't hear peace, so me have to take what me get. My girlfriend left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she have them. She left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things we can't make she have them.
I say you love, girl. I say you love, me no need that. Girl, I say you love, I say you love, cause I no need that. Girl, I say you love, I say you love, I say you love, say you love. I say you love, say you love, say you love. Girl, if I say you love, cause I no want it, because you're up on the ground like you want it. If I say you love, me no need that, yeah. Me a rude boy, I mean no one a idiot. Yeah, I say you love, cause I no want it, because you're up on the ground like you want it. If I say you love, me no need that life. Me a rude boy, I mean no one a idiot. Why? You tell me something, make me can't forget you. Me no want no more, I never me did say so. Me accept you everything, no regret you. Now you want to play me, cause him a eject you. Now you want to run back, cause Steve left you never. Now what you have, you little idiot. You got to leave me, girl, come please. Left you 1, 2, 3, please step now. So you love, cause I no want it, because you up on the ground like you want it. So you love, me no need that, yeah. Me a rude boy, I mean no one a idiot. Yeah, I say you love, cause I no want it, because you up on the ground like you want it. So you love, me no need that life. Me a rude boy, I mean no one a idiot. You should have a bad for the shame, hold on for the pride. When you say you have your man, and me forget a wife. You say you move on, and me forget a life. It's been several months